এলেম নতুন দেশে, এলেম নতুন দেশে। তলায় গেল ভগ্ন তরি, ফুলে এলেম ভেসে, এলেম নতুন দেশে, এলেম নতুন দেশে। অচিন মনের ভাষা শোনাবে, অপূর্ব কোন আশা বোনাবে, রঙিন সুতোয় দুঃখ সুখের জান। বাজবে প্রাণে নতুন গানের তান, নতুন বেদনায় ফিরব কেঁদে হেসে, এলেম নতুন দেশে, এলেম নতুন দেশে। নাম না জানা প্রিয়া, নাম না জানা ফুলের মালা নিয়া, হিয়ায় দেবে হিয়া। নাম না জানা প্রিয়া, নাম না জানা ফুলের মালা নিয়া, হিয়ায় দেবে হিয়া। যৌবনেরই নবচ্ছ্বাসে ফাগুন মাসে বাজবে নূপুর বনের ঘাসে, মাতবে দক্ষিণ বায় মঞ্জরিত লবঙ্গ লতায়, চঞ্চলিত এলো কেশে, এলেম নতুন দেশে, এলেম নতুন দেশে।
Can't never forget the date. That is 29th of October 2005. My daughter's birthday. I came to Canada with my full family.
And did you come here to Ottawa first?
Yes, from the airport we direct go to Lovelock. Here we bought a cake and went my brother's home and we celebrate her birthday.
Oh, wow. Oh, amazing.
In the airport also, when the immigration lady, she is asking her your date of birth, and she said 29th of October. Oh, happy birthday.
Wow, good stuff.
When I went back to my country in Bangladesh, I started my own business, and I was really, I'll say I was successful in my businesses. I involved in capital market, and also while I was in Jeddah, I already involved with a commercial bank, scheduled bank, and I was a director of that bank. And then we opened another merchant bank. Merchant bank, it is directly involved with the capital market, and I was a major shareholder of that bank and director. My wife also is a director of that bank. Still, that is still there, and my business is running over there. I have my offices over there and staffs and everybody. Every year I used to go to Bangladesh, and from here also every day, mostly in the evening, when Bangladesh offices are open, that time we used to talk by telephone and by emails, everything. So in Bangladesh, my business was running good. I have some real estates, and my house was in, still I have an apartment house at Gulshan area in Dhaka, and Gulshan is a very posh area, and mostly the people who are living there, they are the lots of, I mean, I will say posh people, rich people, they used to live over there. My neighbors were three ministers of Bangladesh, like that. And so, my daughter, she was admitted, she took admission in medical college for her study, and she studied there 2 years. My sons, they are also studying in English medium school. They are doing very fine. But when my daughter was in the school, in medical school, she finished her second year. That time she was diagnosed of, it was diagnosed actually earlier, but there she fell down and her problems was developed a lot. So I took her to Singapore also for her treatment, and from there the doctor advised me that they asked me, why you leave USA, there is better treatment over there. And at that time my younger brother, who was here in Canada, he told us that why you are not coming over here. So I applied as an investor category. As an investor I applied to the Canadian immigration, and it was accepted. So I came over here. It was 29th of October 2005. We just came to Canada. That was the birthday of my daughter. And actually my main ambition to come over here was for the better treatment of my daughter. Anyway, after coming here, she was admitted. She took admission in Athabasca University, and she was graduated from there. Then she went to Carleton University, and she's doing very fine over there. I also, as I am here, I have to engage something, to do some work or something like that. But as there, Canada, I did not find any job of my category, so I thought that I should start a business. What business I should start? Then, at that moment, one of my friend, he was running a restaurant, and he said that he is about to sell that restaurant. So I thought, why should not I buy it and just start this business? Though I don't had any experience on that. My brother said, okay, just buy it. I have enough experience, I will help you. So I decided to buy that. I bought it and start this business from 2006. It is February, no, it is, I think, April 2006, because I came 20th of October, then I went back again, me and my wife went again to Bangladesh in January 2006, because we had a lot of things pending over there. We came suddenly, so I had a lot of things pending over there, so we went there again. And then after 1.5 months we came back again, and then I bought this restaurant, I started my business. It is good that I started business. I was very much engaged and busy with the business, so my time was passing. I was busy, but
Wahida was telling me that just like your life before, since coming to Canada, you have been involved in different organizations.
Yeah, in Bangladesh also I was engaged, in Saudi Arabia also I was engaged, and as well as I am here in Canada. There are some organizations where I involved now, even the Bengali community clubs, Bengali community organizations, political parties, I mean supporting Bangladesh, like that. In all respects I am engaged because I love to do that kinds of work. I mean, jobs to do something for the people, for the future generation, and that's all. And try to. I am a little bit social always. From my childhood, I always love to. I mean, keep touches with my friends and get-togethers and etc.